Welcome back to the world of sci-fi and education. Today we will brainstorm a sci-fi story where teachers use bodycams. Yes, bodycams. The idea of this sci-fi story is simple. Bodycam records teachers' interactions with students. Artificial intelligence gathers together and makes a daily brief of these interactions between teacher and each student. Parents receive a daily report of these interactions. Artificial intelligence details the nature of these interactions. For example, explaining, answering a question, correcting a behavior, etc. Parents see each day how much one-to-one time their child gets with the teacher and how much time student gets compared to other students. And please note that I'm brainstorming a sci-fi story. A sci-fi story, fiction. I'm not making education policy here, although all this would be already technologically possible. Thank you very much for your interest. See you next time. Bye bye.